Welcome to 3505 Beach Road in Middle River. I'm your host, Andrew Lair, and today I'm at my new construction waterfront listing in the popular Bowley's Quarters neighborhood of Seneca Park. This ground-up new construction home on a quiet dead-end street features nearly 3,000 square feet of meticulously designed living space with 4 bedrooms and 3.5 bathrooms. There's a large, oversized 2-car garage, an open concept main level living space, a chef's kitchen with huge 9-foot island, and the most important and biggest feature is this large entertaining deck made of composite decking facing Seneca Creek and your very own deep water pier. The upper level greets you with 3 oversized bedrooms, a very convenient hallway laundry room, and a remarkable owner's suite with a huge walk-in closet, luxurious bathroom with freestanding soaking tub, separate shower, double bowl vanity, and not to be missed is its very own balcony, which stares out to Seneca Creek with views the whole way out to the Chesapeake Bay. I could go on and on about all the details and amenities that's included with this home, but I'd rather you come take a look.